Check this out. Here's my geese right there in front of me. A couple of ducks are right there too. Geese are sitting right off my front porch. I'm sitting right here on my front porch. Check this out. I'm sitting here barbecuing a big old steak. That's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Big old rib steak like that. Yum yum. And out here on the porch barbecuing. And there I got the geese right there in my front yard checking it all out. Let's go back to the steak again. I want to look at that some more. Yum yum. Oh boy, look at this here. There we go. Went and picked up my meat package this morning. I bought half a beef, and there's my first rib roast of it. So, thank you for watching Life and Times with Danny.